In this video, we'll be going over how to create t-shirt designs using lettering templates on Canva. With the TypeLettering app, you can access customizable lettering templates that you can easily use to create unique and eye-catching t-shirt designs fast. Each template is professionally designed and can be fully customized any way you like in the Canva editor. I'll demonstrate how to access the TypeLettering app on Canva, how to browse and select a lettering template, and various customization options that are available to create your perfect t-shirt design. So let's head over to Canva and go over how to access and use the TypeLettering app to create t-shirt designs. From the Canva homepage, the first thing I want to do is open up a t-shirt design project. To do this, let's go up to the search bar here and type in t-shirt. From the search results, you should see a tab that says t-shirt with a t-shirt icon beside it. Let's click that now. This should take you to a page where you can access tons of different t-shirt design templates that are available on Canva. But since we'll be going over how to use the TypeLettering app, we're going to be opening up a blank template. To do this, let's scroll down to the templates here and click the Create Blank option. This should open up a blank t-shirt design project in the Canva editor. Let's use the slider at the bottom here to zoom into the project a bit and get a better view. There we go. So now let's go over how to use the TypeLettering app to create some t-shirt designs. To access the TypeLettering app, the first thing we'll need to do is go to the Apps tab from the menu on the left-hand side. This will open up a menu where you can browse all the various apps that are available on Canva. In the search bar up top, go ahead and type in TypeLettering. In your search results, the TypeLettering app should be the red icon here with the white L. Let's go ahead and click that now to open it up. And the TypeLettering app should now be open in your Canva menu. This is a really cool app that allows us to access several high-quality, professionally designed text templates. Each template is fully customizable and can be used to create some really amazing t-shirt designs. So now let's go over an example of how to create a t-shirt design using the TypeLettering text templates. Feel free to select any template that you like, but for this example, I think I'm going to start with this one here. When you select a template, it should then open up the TypeLettering editing menu. Here's where you can change the text, the font, the colors, or anything else you like. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can view a preview of your design as you make changes. So let's scroll back up to the top and go over how to use the TypeLettering template here to create my t-shirt design. In the field up top here, go ahead and replace the default text with the main text that you want to use for your design. You can type in whatever you like, and to preview your text, you can simply scroll down to the bottom. So after you add your main text, you can look underneath here and use the drop-down menu to select a font. There are tons of fonts to choose from, and you can preview each font directly here in the menu. Take your time and browse through the various fonts until you find the perfect one for your design. But if you already know which font you want to use, you can simply type the font name in the search bar up top here to pull it up. For my text, I want to use this LNath123 font, so let's click it to select it. I can then click the back button to go back to the main menu, and my font should now be changed. And if we scroll down to the preview at the bottom, we should now be able to see my new font. Underneath the font drop-down menu, you can also select your text alignment and your line height if you have multiple lines. And underneath this, you can also select your colors. The first color icon here will allow you to change your background color. When selecting a background color, I recommend selecting the same color as the t-shirt that you plan to add your design to. This will give you a more realistic idea of how your text will look when added to your t-shirt. I want to add my design to a red shirt, so let's change my background color back to red. The next color icon here will allow you to change the color of your main text. When selecting your text color, make sure it complements your background or the t-shirt color that you plan to add your design to. And if your text has other elements, like the shadow in my text here, you can change their color by using the last icon. So here's the custom text for my Speed is Life t-shirt design. The lettering template really helps my text stand out much better than standard text. So to add my text to my template and to finish creating my t-shirt design, let's go down to the bottom here and click the Add to Design button. And my new text should now be added to my template on the right. You can now drag the corners to resize your text and click to drag it to move it around. After your text has been added to your template, you can still edit it if you need by simply selecting it, then using the TypeLettering menu on the left. Once you finish making updates to your text, simply click the Update Element button at the bottom. Also, feel free to use the TypeLettering app to create more text for your design if needed as well. So now that I have some attention-grabbing text, I can now finish creating my t-shirt design. First, since I'll be adding my design to a red t-shirt, Let's select my background and use the color icon up top here to change my background color to red. It's best to work with a template that has the same color as your t-shirt in order to make sure all the colors complement each other. Next, for my t-shirt design, I think I'll add some supporting graphics. To do this, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to the Elements tab. Here's where you can browse all sorts of shapes and graphics that you can use for your t-shirt design. For my Speed is Life design, I think I want to add a motorcycle graphic, so let's go up to the search bar up top here and type in motorcycle. I'm only looking for graphics, so let's select the Graphics tab up top. And this should pull up hundreds of graphics related to the keyword motorcycle. I can now browse through the results and find the graphic that I want to use for my design. Feel free to try out different graphics, and once you find the one you like, go ahead and resize and arrange it on your template. You can then select your graphic and use the toolbar up top to edit your image, flip your image, change the color, or anything else you like. Feel free to add whatever text, graphics, shapes, or other elements that you need to complete your design. And once you're finished, you can preview your design on Mockups by going up to the Print with Canva button at the top right. If you click this, it'll open up a menu where you can view several t-shirt mockups and where you can order t-shirts directly from Canva as well. Since I want to see a red t-shirt, let's select red in the color section. And if you wanted to change the mockup model, you can do that in the fit section. And in your mockup preview, you can see several variations of your design on a mockup. This allows you to see your design on an actual t-shirt and make any changes if needed. But if everything looks good, feel free to order t-shirts directly from Canva. But for my design, I'm going to download it to add to my print on demand site. So let's close the print menu here. And to download my design, let's go to the share button at the top right of the page. From the drop down menu, let's go down to the download tab. And here's where we can select our download settings. Under file type, make sure you have PNG selected. With PNG selected, you should see the option here to increase the pixel size of your design. For t-shirt designs, I typically like to increase the size to 3500 by 4500 pixels. Also, if you plan to add your design to t-shirts or other products, you need to select the transparent background option. This allows you to download your design without the colored background so that you can add it to your products. But keep in mind, in order to resize your design and to download it with a transparent background, you'll need to have a Canva Pro account. If you don't have access to Canva Pro yet, make sure you head over to learnwithjason.com or simply click the link in the video description to unlock your free trial. With Canva Pro, not only can you download your designs with a transparent background, but also access all of Canva's templates, graphics, and other tools and features as well. If you haven't already, make sure you click the link in the video description or in the pinned comment to access your free trial. So once you select your download settings, go ahead and click the download button at the bottom here. And your new design will be downloaded to your device. Let's open it up and check it out. And here's my new Speed is Life t-shirt design that I made with the lettering template. I can now add it to a t-shirt or upload it to the products in my print on demand store. Using lettering templates is a great way to create high quality text designs fast. I encourage you to experiment and try out different lettering templates and see what you can come up with. So that's a quick overview of how to create t-shirt designs using lettering templates with the TypeLettering app on Canva. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.